the most trusted air conditioning, heating, and boiler company in upstate New York, with over 80 years of experience in residential and commercial settings. Cooney Heating and Air is dedicated to providing the best possible solution for your home or business. You can count on us to provide you with a system and solution that fits your unique needs. And since we've installed many systems in this area, we've earned a reputation for doing the job right the first time. Call 607-218-5791 or visit www.cooneyair.com.